The Fibonacci sequence the Fibonacci sequence is defined by a1 and a2 equals 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2, where n is greater than 2. We need to find the value of an plus 1 over an for n equals 5. So here we are given with a1 equals 1, a2 is equal to 1, a3 will be equal to a3 minus 1, which is 2, plus a3 minus 2, which is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Similarly, a4 will be equal to the sum of previous two terms, which is a3 and a2. So a3 was 2, a2 was 1, so that is 3. Similarly, a5 is sum of previous two terms, which is a4 and a3. a4 was 3 and a3 was 2. So that is equal to 5. Similarly, we can find a6, which is a5 plus a4. a5 was 5 and a4 was 3. So that is 8. And we want to find an plus 1 over an for n equals 5. That means we want to find out a6 over a5. a6 is 8 and a5 is 5. So the answer is 8 over 5.